but let's move on and get you the latest update in the world of commodities this morning. Manisha is here to give us all those updates. Good morning, Manisha. What are we looking at today? Is it crude, metals, gold? What should we keep an eye out on?
Well, crude for sure, Vinny, because we're looking at a 3-week highs onto this one, and the Brent prices are now trading above $73 a barrel. Well, the U.S. president has announced 25% tariff on any country buying Venezuelan oil. Now, China is a major buyer of oil from Venezuela, and that perhaps is what is impacting the prices. The second point really is about OPEC and allies, which, remember, pump 40% of the world crude oil, and they have been cutting output by 5.8 million barrels per day since 2022. Now, OPEC and allies are meeting on 5th of April, and they could be looking to increase some part of that production from the month of May onwards. So that meeting is going to be important to watch out for. The other thing that is going to be important to watch out is the U.S. PCE data that comes in on Friday. And ahead of that, we have seen the dollar index gain up to a 2-week highs. Now, that is putting pressure on many of the precious metal prices, is the reason you've seen gold and silver prices come off its highs. But what hasn't come off its highs has been the metal prices. So zinc is still trading at around 3-month highs, and copper very close to its all-time highs.
Okay, Manisha, thank you so much for that. Keeping an eye out on crude specifically as well as those metals over there.